Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Archaeologic. So today we have an exponential equation that is 5 power x minus 3 power x is equal to 16, and we are going to find out all the possible values of x. Let's see the solution. Here solution will be, first of all, given equation is 5 power x minus 3 power x is equal to 16, correct? And the fact is, what we know fact is 5 power x is not equal to 0 for all value of x belonging to real line r, or you can say real number r. That means we have that means we can divide both parts by 5 power x, correct? And now separating the terms, we have 5 power x divided by 5 power x minus 3 power x divided by 5 power x is equal to 16 upon 5 power x. Now this term is same, so we can cancel out, and this will be 1 minus, and here power is same in denominator and numerator, so we can write it as 5 by 3 whole power x, which is equal to 16 upon 5 power x, correct? And now by taking this term to right hand side, so we have 1 is equal to 16 upon 5 power x plus 3 by 5 whole power x. Now we have to understand the concept of decreasing and increasing sequences. Here you can clearly see that 3 by 5 is less than 1. That means 3 by 5 whole power x, when x tends to infinity, this whole value tends to 0, correct? How we are saying this, that 3 by 5 is less than 1. That means when we take 3 by 5 whole power x, so this value will tends to 0 when x tends to infinity. That means we are increasing the value of x, and this whole value decreases to 0. So we can say that this whole value is a decreasing sequence depending on the value of x. Similarly, this value 16 upon 5 by 5 power x, we know that 16 upon 5 power x will tends to 0 when x tends to infinity. Why? Because when x tends to infinity, this means value of x is increasing. When you put value of x 2, so this will become 16 by 25, and then similarly, as you can see, sequence will be like this: 16 upon 5 power 1 and 16 upon 5 power 2 and 16 upon 5 power 3, and so on. So you can clearly see this first term, suppose this is a1 and suppose this is a2 and this is a3. So a1 is greater than a2 and a2 is greater than a3. That means sequence is in decreasing form. So this sequence is decreasing. So what we get 1 is equal to this whole part, and these parts are decreasing. You can clearly say this part is again a decreasing sequence. Now let y is equal to 1, which is equal to 16 by 5 power x plus 3 by 5 power x, whole power x. Now when you check these parts on Cartesian plane, how to check? Suppose this is the Cartesian plane, this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and this is negative part x dash, and this is negative part of y-axis, that is y dash, and this is the origin. So y, we suppose y is equal to this whole part, so there is two lines, y equals to 1 and y equals to 1 means this is a line where value of y is equals to 1, correct? And similarly, when y is equal to this whole part, so when y is equal to 16 upon 5 power x plus 3 by 5 whole power x. When you put x equals 0, this implies y will be equal to 16 upon 5 power 0 is 1 plus 3 by 5 whole power 0 will be 1, which is equal to 17. So on this Cartesian plane we can represent x and y like here. We can say this is the point 0 and 17, and we proved that this both part is a decreasing sequence. That means this sequence will be in a decreasing way, or somewhat it will become 0 when x tends to infinity. So there is one intersection point where this line and this curve will intersect each other, and we just need to find out this point, so that this is a pair xy. So we will get the solution x. And to find this point there is no direct method. We just need to use hit and trial. And when you use hit and trial by putting x equal to, this implies 5 power 2 minus 3 power 2 will be equal to 25 minus 9, which is equal to 16. So you can say that x equal to is the only solution. This is the answer of this question, x equal to, because we have proved that there is only one intersection point with this function and y equals to 1. So you can say that there is only one possible solution, that is x equals to 2. So this is the solution of this question, that is 5 power x minus 3 power x is equals to 16. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye bye.